What if I told you your snake plant could grow 5 times faster without expensive fertilizers or complicated care? Most people are making simple mistakes that secretly slow their plant down. And chances are, you're making at least one of them right now. Today, I'll show you 7 hidden tricks that can completely transform your snake plant's growth. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final bonus tip is something most plant owners have never heard of. Snake plants are known for being low maintenance, but low maintenance doesn't mean fast growing. If you want your plant to grow taller, fuller, and produce more pups, you need to unlock a few hidden secrets. Let's start with the most important one. Trick number 1. Light is everything. In dark corners. That's the biggest mistake. Snake plants can survive in low light, but they thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Think of it this way. Low light keeps the plant alive, but bright light helps it grow. Place your plant near a window where it receives plenty of filtered light throughout the day. If your snake plant hasn't grown in months, this one change alone can make a dramatic difference. More light means faster photosynthesis. Faster photosynthesis means faster growth. Now, let's move to another mistake that slows growth without most people realizing it. Trick number 2. The right pot makes a huge difference. Here's a hidden secret. Snake plants actually prefer being slightly root-bound. That means their roots enjoy a snug environment. But once the pot becomes too crowded, the plant starts focusing on survival instead of growth. A good rule is to choose a pot that's only 1 to 2 inches larger than the root ball. Heavier pots, like clay or ceramic, can also help stabilize the plant as it grows taller. And always choose a pot with drainage holes. Without proper drainage, even the healthiest snake plant can struggle. Trick number 3. Smart watering technique. Overwatering is still the #1 killer of snake plants. The tricky part? The damage often happens long before you notice any signs. Instead of watering on a schedule, water only when the soil is completely dry. An easy way to check is by sticking your finger a few inches into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. When you do water, do it thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom. This encourages deeper, stronger roots. And stronger roots lead to faster, healthier growth above the soil. Before we continue, quick question. How long has your snake plant been stuck without growing? A few months? A year? Let me know in the comments. And if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe because I share simple plant care advice that actually works. Now let's talk about something many people overlook. Trick number 4. Use the perfect soil mix. Regular garden soil is usually too heavy. It holds excess moisture and limits airflow around the roots. Snake plants prefer a fast-draining soil mix. A combination of cactus soil, perlite, and coarse sand works extremely well. This setup closely mimics the environment snake plants naturally prefer. Loose soil allows oxygen to reach the roots more easily. And healthy roots are the foundation of fast growth. If your soil stays wet for too long, growth can slow down dramatically. Trick number 5. Feed it the right way. Most people make one of 2 mistakes. They either over-fertilize their plant or never fertilize it at all. Both can slow growth. The secret is balance. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Spring and summer are when snake plants are most active. Think of fertilizer as food. Too little won't help much. Too much can do more harm than good. A small, consistent amount is usually all your plant needs. The next tip surprises a lot of people. Trick number 6. Pruning can boost growth. It sounds strange, but removing damaged or struggling leaves can actually encourage new growth. Those weak leaves continue using energy that could be redirected elsewhere. By removing them, you're helping the plant focus its resources more efficiently. Always use clean, sharp scissors. And don't go overboard. Only remove leaves that are clearly damaged or unhealthy. Many plant owners notice fresh shoots appearing soon after pruning. Now for something that can speed up almost every process inside the plant. Trick number 7. Warmth speeds everything up. Snake plants love warm conditions. They grow best in temperatures between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius, or 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If your plant sits in a cold room, near a drafty window, or close to an air conditioner, growth can slow down significantly. Warm temperatures help the plant perform its natural processes more efficiently. Even moving it to a slightly warmer location can produce noticeable results over time. And now for the bonus tip. The secret growth hack most people never try. Here's something many snake plant owners don't know. Occasionally allowing the soil to stay dry a little longer than usual before watering can encourage a natural survival response. When you finally water deeply, the plant often reacts by pushing out new growth or producing additional pups. The key word here is occasionally. Don't overdo it. Too much stress can harm the plant, but a small amount of controlled stress can sometimes encourage stronger growth. If you apply these 7 tricks consistently, your snake plant won't just survive. It can grow faster, stronger, and healthier than ever before. Remember, small changes create big results over time. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let nature do the rest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another plant lover. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these tricks are you going to try first?